Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Squarespace SEO settings for USA traffic. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Select the website you want to update from your dashboard. Navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. Scroll down and click on SEO in the Settings menu. You will now see several options for SEO settings. First, focus on the site title field. Ensure your site title is clear and includes relevant keywords for your niche. Next, scroll down to the site description section. Write a concise and informative description that highlights your brand and includes keywords. After that, find the social image section. Upload an image that represents your brand well. This will appear when your site is shared on social media. Now, return to the main SEO settings page. Look for the URL slug settings for your pages and posts. Make sure each page's URL slug is short, descriptive, and keyword-rich. Then, head to the advanced settings within the SEO section. In the SEO title format field, create a format that includes your site name and page title. Next, ensure your site. Return to the settings menu and click on General. Scroll to Search Engine Visibility and make sure the box is unchecked. To further improve your SEO, create a blog post schedule. Regularly updating your blog with relevant content will help attract USA traffic. Add internal links within your posts to boost SEO and keep visitors on your site longer. Now, check your website's loading speed. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify improvements. Optimize images and minimize code to help your site load faster. Finally, submit your site to Google Search Console. Follow the prompts to verify your website ownership and submit your sitemap. This will help Google better understand your site and improve visibility for USA traffic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.